Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have the Spectrum Plus 2 audio video cable that I assembled. So it's got a SCART one end, it's got the 8-pin DIN for the Spectrum Plus 2 that end, and also we have a 3.5mm mono jack plug. So I'll just show you how you hook this up. So on the back of the Spectrum Plus 2, mine actually has an extra port there for using a tape in. You plug in the audio in the bottom one, and the 8-pin DIN goes into the RGB, and now I'll just hook the Spectrum up to the TV. Okay, so I've got the SCART plugged into my HDMI upscaler. I'm going to plug the power into the Spectrum. Just go on the screen. That's the sort of quality you get on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Buy me a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee or Coffee. Links are all in the description. You can support me on Patreon. Thank you for watching. Bye.